So today I'm sitting outside my motorcycle and I'm gonna try to switch it up from regular shifting to GP or racing shifting. For those of you who don't know, when you shift gears, it's 1 down and then 5 up. It says it over here as well. And GP shifting is 1 up and 5 down. I guess with this specific motorcycle, it's a Kawasaki ZZR250. The only thing I can imagine to switch it up is to turn this part upside down. This crossbar will go up, and then if you push it down, it will pull it the other way. Yeah, let's try that. Okay, what I think I need to do is to unscrew this one as well, because I cannot bend the dial underneath, so I cannot take this any further than that. That's stuck. Oh. And it's still stuck. Okay, now that this is all loose, it used to be like this, or more like this, and now I'm gonna switch it up like this. So the gear switch. I hope it works, otherwise I need to change it back. Let's put it back. Just make sure they are properly tightened back and back up again. Now it should shift the other way around. Just by unscrewing this and that bolt, by turning the rod, you can position the clutch, which is always good to do before you start riding. So it worked, and now when shifting, 1 is up. See, it's in neutral, press it up, it goes into first gear, and then down, 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 and it works.